Summary stats for Y data. Is there an efficient way to calculate summary stats for each fruit where that fruit row is true? I've tried. Expected output.
Select the required fruits columns, then get the corresponding score for each fruit column and mask the false value. Finally use describe to get the descriptive statistics. A general way to do this that doesn't rely on df.describe happening to have the stats you are after is will get you the count, mean, and std for each fruit, \. In response to a comment, you can rework the indices to get just a fruit per row by.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.